I've been in the ski industry for 35 years, and I have never seen anything that makes getting to and from the slopes as easy as Skeezy. So who wants to rock and roll with Skeezy? Boom!
That's a pretty cool thing. Does it roll when it's in snow?
Absolutely.
No difference whatsoever.
No difference.
Do you guys have a patent on it?
We do have
Oh,
a
yeah.
utility.
Is it issued?
It is issued.
What does it cost to make, and what do you sell it for?
The cost is $3.50.
And
What do you sell it for?
$19.95.
Good for you.
Nice price.
And where are you selling them, and what are your sales like?
Our first year in sales was
this year?
No, our first year was in 2013. In a matter of about 4 months, we did $230,000.
Okay, and then 2014?
Went to zero.
Zero?
Went to
Why?
zero.
Sounds like a
We
story.
both had very major personal problems. I got cancer.
Oh, sorry.
I found out that every male at some point in their life has prostate cancer.
Yeah, if you're old enough, you don't care.
Well, I still care. My girlfriend's 32.
What year was this?
2014.
And you cancer-free now?
Yeah. Big time.
Congratulations.
That's good. Congrats.
Well, let me just say this. I think this is the best way to explain our lives. Do any of you know how to take a 747 out of a nosedive? You don't. And that's what happened to both of our lives. In 2013, I get home one day and totally blindsided. I went through a divorce.
So 2013 is not a good year.
And we're going into 2014
Okay,
right
so we
now.
got a goose egg. What happens 2015?
2015 comes along. I was working with a manufacturing company in the oil and gas industry. Oil fell down to $35 a barrel. I didn't have a paycheck anymore.
Are we zero in 2015 too?
We were zero up to...
What happened 2016?
Let's keep going on yours.
And so 2016, we exceeded our 100-year floodplain. South Louisiana went underwater. We lost everything.
In the floodplain.
It was, yes, ma'am. And,
So that's
you
2016.
know, I kept getting knocked down, but I get back up.
Okay, so that's a zero. What about 17?
That's a 0-2.
Okay, let's get to 2018. We're in 2018.
2018.
Where are we
You
at, man?
skipped 19.
We skipped 2019?
Oh, yeah, right.
you skipped
I forgot.
2019.
Barbara, please. This just shows you. Barbara came back from the future to be with us today.
Right.
Okay, 2018, we're here now. Everything's been a zero since 2013 when you did 230,000.
Right.
What is going on in 2018?
2018, we're projected to do 575,000 in sales.
Wow.
So you're coming, the product's coming back in the market. Things are good. You've worked things out. We're projecting 575 in sales. How are you going to distribute it? What's going to happen here?
As of right now, we are talking to a distribution company
Right.
out of Denver.
Right. Are they a national
But how
distributor
many
for
have you
ski
actually
products?
sold
Yes.
this year?
Well, right now, we haven't sold any this year.
And do you have anything in inventory?
We have $350,000 worth in inventory.
They did get a deal. They told about kind of some rough years they had due to one of their business partners passing away due to cancer. Some interesting things about their business. So that was quite compelling. But they do have that massive product. And you heard, what's the first question that the Sharks ask? Do you have a patent on it? Is it issued? I think it was Lori asked, is it a utility patent? It's a pretty smart question. So those are investors. They talk about all kinds of things, right? From raising money, margins, right? What are your sales? Marketing. How have you done with, previous, licensing arrangements? But the first thing they asked was about patents, okay, with a product like that. And kudos to them for getting that. So it's just such a big deal. People don't always think about protecting the utility, the functionality of that. So I thought that's pretty neat. A little highlight there to show that, the sophisticated panel of judges or investors, that's their first question is about patent law.